In this video, I'll show you how you can create your own agent on Emergent. So why is this good? It's because you can set your own rules or workflows to your agent, and to create it, you just need to click on this agent button. From here, you can choose your agent, or if you scroll, you can create a new agent. And here you just need to define your agent. So let's say you can add name of the agent. So it's going to be research agent. Then you need to select template. So you can choose from those templates. I'm going to choose FastAPI plus React template. So with this, you can build a full stack app. And then you just need to add this system prompt, which is basically like some kind of job description. So you just need to add clear instructions for your agent. So basically there is some kind of analysis, front-end development, backend, and also testing protocol. So you can keep this default, then click on continue to add tools. From here, you can allow your agent to directly interact with those apps. So you can, for example, enable memory for your agent, or you can connect it with Supabase or Notion. Then you have those specialized tools. So for example, your agent is able to take screenshot of web pages. So if it's enabled, your agent can take screenshots. Then next are default tools. So I'm going to leave all these on default, so everything is turned. And then you just need to click on continue to add sub agents. The last step is configuring sub-agents. So sub-agents handle specialized tasks that your main agent can delegate. So at the top, you have this option to create a new sub-agent if you want to build your own. Below that, you will find a list of emergent sub-agents that you can enable instantly. So once you selected the sub-agents, you can click on review agent. And then from here, you will see you can review your agent info. And once you are done with this, you can click on save your agent. So this is going to create your agent created. Now, if you click on this, you should see your agent here. So as you can see, this is my research agent. So this is how you can create your agent on Emergent. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.